Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And I'm going to explain a phrase which is not only important, but it's frequently used these days in corporate sector. And it's not limited to one area. You can use it wherever you want. You can use it in your life, right? So understand the psychology behind this phrase. Yeah. So this phrase is very important and it's very effective to communicate. And it's making sense. So what exactly happens? Like when you have a task, you are a doer of the action and somebody has given a task to you. And let's say it's very important. So understand the psychology behind using this phrase. So the work is very important. Somebody is expecting that you will do it as soon as possible, right? Because you are the expert in it. So it can be used in IT sector, it can be used in banking sector, it can be used anywhere you want, right? So the task is given to you and you have to deliver that task in 15 or 20 minutes or maybe 30 minutes, right? So it is very important and it is expected quite quickly. So you have to deliver it as soon as possible. So what will you say when somebody asks you to provide the update? Somebody has given the tasks to you, and he gave the task to you just 10 or 15 minutes ago, and he is just asking about the update. So what should you answer when somebody writes an email to you, when somebody speaks to you over the phone, and he or she tells you that, hey, I have given this task and it's very important, so please tell me what's going on. So what's the update, right? So what exactly happened now? So what is the progress? So what is the correct answer? What is the appropriate answer you can give for this particular question? Yeah, it's a very good question. It's very important, especially in these days. So uh, you can answer by saying just three words, three, 4 words. I am on it. I am on it. So only 4 words. So there is a sentence of these 4 words. So this is the phrase, I am on it. Instead of saying that, hey, I am working on it, I have seen your email, I am working on it, so I am paying attention, just I am on it. It's making sense. Yeah. So it means that you have understood the responsibility, you have taken the responsibility. So you have the sense of, you understand the sense of responsibility, right? So you can use it, I am on it. So I have seen that email that you sent, and the action is something which I know properly, so I know how to complete that action. So don't worry, you will get the results in next 15 minutes. So I am on it. I am on it. Just one line, I am on it, and that is it. How nice this phrase is? Just leave a comment and let me know. Yeah, so stay with me and keep watching my videos. Yeah, and I will keep making such videos in the long run so that you will be benefited and you will improve your communication skills. Yeah, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and it will give you a lot of benefits. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.